I am Sandeep Pandey from Nizamabad. I am Vedic Maths teacher and Mathematics teacher. I will explain for now 1 to 50 prime numbers how do we can find. Below 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Prime numbers how do we can find I explain for you now 1, 3, 7, 9. Write the unit digits 1379 like until 1379 you write up the 1379 1379 1379 1379 you write 1379 1379 you write. Now we can write up the tens digit. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4 times. Like 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8. Now we can find, you remove the 3 multiples and 7 multiples. 3 divisible rule, sum of digits is multiple of 3 like 21 and 27 we can cancel. Similarly like 33 and 39. Sum of digits is a multiple of 3. Now 49 is 7 multiple and 51 is 3 multiple and 57 is 3 multiple 12 and 63 is sum of is 9 and 69 is multiple of 3 and 7 multiple is 77. 81 is a 3 multiple and 87 also 15 is 3 multiple is 87. Last one is 89 also prime number and 97 also prime number. These are the 25 prime numbers in below 100.